Baba, please, I need money. I don't know what to do.
It's a simple something now. It's a simple something. You will come on Tuesday, we'll do sacrifice for you, but you will come with 7 white goats, 2 white chicken, and 2 million naira. We'll use it and prepare the juju for you. At the end, I'll give you the juju like this. You tie one in your waist, tie one on your neck. You go to the T junction and drop one there. Money will start flowing. Simple something.
Baba, please, are you sure this thing will work?
Yeah, it works now. It has worked for many people. Guaranteed.
Baba, if your juju really works, why not use that juju to enrich yourself? Then why ask for my 2 million naira?
Wait, if my juju really works, why can't I use the juju to enrich myself?
Yes.
Why do I need your...